should have practice.
Rip and pull. Yay!
Okay, here, rip. Oh, what's in there? Oh, let me have it.
Open the box.
Pull it out. What's in there?
What is it?
Ooh. Okay.
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay, I'm done. Here, baby, here. Let's try something else.
Look, all those are pretty,
Here's
Kai.
another one. Sit down.
Hey,
Sit
she
down.
left you the receipt.
Sit down.
She probably thinks
Look.
no.
There might be something good in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kaya, open the present. Pull the paper.
What's in there?
Pull the paper.
You want to open your presents?
Come here, look. Oh, look, Kaya. Give her one of those. Here, then come over here and help Grandma.
Open up your
Here,
presents.
look. Here, pull it.
Open
It's just like at Christmas when they play with the packaging. It says she's going to play with the hats and stuff.
Guys, look. Here, Grandma.
What is that?
Look, Kaya.
Mickey.
Get watching.
Is that Jake? Mickey?
Here,
Mickey?
now, see what's in this
What's
one.
in that one? Open it.
Come here.
Puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, B. Say B. Mickey.
Hey, baby, you might have another good thing in here. Here, pull. Here.
She never should have seen the hats and the horns.
Pull.
Kaya.
Grandma wants you to help.
Kaya, help her.
Yeah. Now maybe you'll do the next one.
Look, those are books.
Now, Kyle,
go help
there might be
Grandma.
something neat in here. Come here.
Go help her open.
Come here, look.
Kaya, help her open it. Ooh.
You want to take it off? Here, we can take it off.
Hi, Grandma don't want to open your present.
Here, Kai, look.
She said shucks, and now she's taking his hat. Oh, jeez.
Here, look.
Put it on.
What's in here, Kaya?
Put it on.
John,
Open it.
next time, no hat.
Kai, look. No, here, look. We'll get it. Pull.
She just opened up for because she's just really
You ready?
fast.
Look, look.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh, Kai, look. What is that? Uh-oh.
Look, Kaya.
Are you going to open it?
She's going back towards more hats and horns.
She goes, I'm going to take Grandma to get that.
Oh.
Just opened up.
Who would have guessed that? Oh, Kaya. I want to play with that.
Look, Kai.
I want to play with it.
You got more.
Look at her.
Here, now you want to open and see what's in there?
No. Oh.
Oh, leave it to Paul to get something she can play with.
Here, Kai. Here, Kai.
Please, Lauren, show her.
Look. You want to open?
Open.
There's no.
No.
You want everyone to put a hat on?
Make sure. Oh. Oh, there's your signature here.
There
Got
you
it?
go.
There you go. Let's give everybody else one.
Yay.
Yay.
You got your.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
I don't want to go in front
Oh,
of
you
that.
can. It's okay.
Grandma.
You giving me a hat? Okay. Thank you, baby.
You put one on now.
Oh, she gave me 3 hats.
Here's yours. Is that okay?
All right,
Let's
ready?
see what you got.
What is that?
Oh.
Oh, Kaya.
You don't want that on your neck. Okay, here, let me.
I think it's okay.
There.
Good. You gonna open?
Oh, thank you. Oh, I did it!
She said mine won't do it.
Bro. Hard. Real hard.
Let me try. Let me try.
You want your, try this?
Let me try. Can I try? You got one. You got another present.
There's one more down in there.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Here, Kai, look.
Okay. Look at what Mommy's got for you.
Look, Kai.
Okay.
Fader.
Mm-hmm.
Open. Open the box.
No.
Open.
What's in there?
Oh,
how pretty.
Look.
Oh, that's
That
so
cracked me up because of the one she had on
Kaya.
yesterday.
Kaya.
That's so you. Pretty.
Kai.
There's one more in that bag. There's just one more in there.
Anything else in it?
Yeah, there's one more.
Oh, I'm sorry. There
That's
was.
okay.
Ghost stickers. Uh-oh, something else. What's in there? You pull it. Pull it.
Yay!
Oh, who's that?
Is those
are those
panties?
big girl panties?
And those tights go with that other thing.
Oh.
I had a hard time finding pink tights to go with it.
Grandpa can go get you something else.
Those are
Uh-oh.
You can go get it for her. But you gotta pull
Look,
the sheet
Kaya.
out. Leave the sheet on.
Get ready for a big surprise. Get ready for a big surprise.
Can we go back to one?
Wait.
I know, I can't believe she's two already.
Okay.
That's gone too quick. Too quick.
Wait. Look, that's for you.
Look, Kaya. What's coming?
Pull the sheet.
Pull the sheet off.
Oh, basketball! Throw it. She knows what to do, too. Yay! And the crowd goes wild.
Shoot again.
Hit a basketball. I think that's cheating.
Only got to put balls in there.
Oh!
Oh, JoJo, knock her out.
Here, look.
Whoa!
Throw it.
Oh, that is so cute.